Hello, now I'm having the new OPPO Find X8 Ultra, which was released a few days ago in China. But unfortunately, it's only available in China domestic market for right now. It comes with the Hasselblad quad camera system, a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel camera with 3x periscope lens, another with 6x optical zoom, and the last one is 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. This is the chroma sensor, and the flashlight was put on the corner. Okay, now let's have an overview. This is a matte black finish, which can resist the fingerprints well. The weight really feels very light, and the thickness of this phone is only 8.8 millimeters. It's pretty thin to a flagship model, but the camera bump is really big. I think it's acceptable because of the huge 1-inch camera sensor. I believe this is the biggest sensor you can find in any current smartphone. That can let in a ton of light. On the left side, there's a customizable button. I will describe it later. Down to the bottom, we have the Type-C port, some antenna lines, loudspeaker, and another SIM tray. On the right side, beside the volume button, power button, there's a camera button similar to the iPhone 16 Pro. When we come to the top, we have micro IM transmitter and another loudspeaker. So this is how the phone looks like on the back. On the front side, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, and it has a super thin bezels. This is the shortcut button we mentioned just now. We can set it in the system. And here it is. There are so many options. The memo clip, do not disturb, sound and vibration, camera, recorder, flashlight. And now I'm setting it to the flashlight. It's done. Turn off the screen and long press the shortcut button. The light is on, off. And there's a very interesting thing. You see, there's a stuff like the dynamic island on iPhone. It's really interesting. There is another very interesting feature that you can transfer photos from the OPPO to iPhone. Let's look about how it works. Now I'm going to transfer this photo to my another phone. Here is an icon share with iPhone. I tap it. Then I have to put these two phones as close as possible. Now it's head to head. Just wait a second. Oh, there's a pop-up window on your iPhone. Open. Now it's connecting. But unfortunately, we have to download an application called OPPO Connect on your iPhone. Then the two systems can get connected. But obviously, it's much more slower than the AirDrop between iPhone. We have to wait a few seconds. Okay, the transfer complete. Now let's talk about the AI. We long press the power button and speak to the phone. I am going to have a travel to Singapore for 7 days. Can you give me a schedule for that? The AI is powered by DeepSeek. As you can see just now, I spoke English to it, but it responds in Chinese. So the English is unavailable now. Let's look at another function of AI editor. We open a photo from the album. There's an AI eraser. Then we circle the people with finger. Now it's recognition. It only takes 5 seconds. The people disappeared, and the AI fills the background with a new content. Let's compare. It's fantastic. Now we come to the most important part of this brand new flagship, the camera. It focuses quickly to the very close object. The photo is very clear. The effect is very sharp. We take a photo on the people under the photo mode, not the portrait mode. It's very good. Now let's try to take some photos on different zones of outdoor on daytime. Now the 2x. It's very clear. It's good. Okay, we keep going up the zoom. Now is we check about higher zoom, and now it's coming to 10x. It's not only very clear, but also the color accuracy is really awesome. And this is also under the 10x zoom. The camera captures the details very well. Now, let's take a look at something more impressive. We zoom up to the maximum, 120x. Wow, it's going up. Wow, it's 120 now. But for now, the picture shakes very severely. We have to hold the phone firmly and then tap the photo rapidly. Now, here is what we got. This is an antenna about 200 meters far away from us. Wow, you can see by the iPhone. It's really amazing. Finally, let's look about the price. For 512 gigs, the price is RMB 6999 and 1,000 higher for 1 terabyte. So this is the main features of this smartphone. Do you like it?